Oh, my friend, how are you? You right? Where are you from? China. You our neighbor. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Tajikistan. Do you know where is Tajikistan?
Yes. 75.
Next to China, yeah?
I know.
Are you study here?
Yes.
What specialty study?
Uh,
Because I want to study in some university. What advice can you give me with scholarship? Maybe no expensive university, you know?
Just study hard.
Study hard, yeah?
Yeah.
Which university you can advise me?
Because I'm now studying the foundation course.
Foundation course?
Yes, and I will go to Bristol.
It's-
Bristol in July.
Is it expensive? How much per year?
It's about 27,000.
20,000 pounds per year, yeah? And how about hostel? What about hostel?
Yeah.
Yeah, per house, how much you pay?
Now I'm living 400
400 pounds
per week.
per week.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very expensive hostel.
Yes.
Yeah, it's IQ hostel is 200 per month. Per month.
Okay.
Here per week 400. 460 pounds. Yeah? Oh, very expensive.
Yes. Yes. And the room is very small.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Yeah, boss. Have a great evening. Bye. Thank you. Хитой раби ҳар сол 27000 паунд меспорда, неки англиси ро хохшур намедонам. Да савол ҷавоб дода наметунам. Неки хондеста. Ина студентҳо, аҳволи студентҳо. Студентҳо биёян натарсен, биёян бихонем. Да овузуд алло. Биёян бихонем. Соза.